should jump to see if he really cares. And if you drown, then you should find you a better man. 4 men, 1 girl. Someone needs to ask her on a date, but they're all gay. 2 babies and 2 daddies, but only 1 mom. What have you done? You need to choose one, unless it's a threesome.